Hello student, today we are going to learn what is cylindrical grinding. Okay, cylindrical grinding under grinding machines. It is the method of grinding cylindrical surface, maybe external surface, maybe internal surface. Cylindrical means round shaft type job, which may be parallel, may be tapered, stepped or profiled. Profiled means any contour shape. Here the job can be held in a chuck or between centers. Centers means life center and dead center of a lathe, and rotated by a dog and diving plate. That means power transmit through dog and diving plate. The following are the movement involved. Number 1, rotation of job. Number 2, rotation of wheel. Number 3, longitudinal movement of the work with respect to wheel. Number 4, longitudinal movement of wheel with respect to work. All the above motion can be both mechanical or hydraulic controls are used. Okay. There are two types of grinding processes. Number 1, Taber's grinding. The work is reciprocated as the wheel fit to produce cylinder longer than width of the wheel face. The work means cylindrical type work is reciprocate as the wheel fit to produce cylinder. Produce cylinder means this is the job surface, work surface to be ground longer than width of wheel face. Here work surface to be ground longer than the face width of the grinding wheel. Job surface length or width longer than width of wheel face. Here feet is given to the work or the wheel at the end of each canvassing movement. Okay. Number 2, plunge grinding. The work is kept in a fixed position. Here we grinding a fixed portion and wheel is fit to produce cylindrical shape of length equal or shorter than width of the wheel. Here work surface to be ground equal or shorter than width of the wheel. The wheel may be fit in with no transverse movement. Transversing movement means no longitudinal movement or that of the work, or no longitudinal movement or transverse movement of the work or grinding wheel. Okay. Cylindrical grinding are two types. A, external cylindrical surface grinding. B, internal cylindrical surface grinding. Here we do not discuss centerless grinding. For centerless grinding, I developed a separate tutorial. For centerless grinding, kindly see my separate tutorial. Okay. Cylindrical grinding are of two types. First, A, external cylindrical surface grinding. This is the job or workpiece cylindrical shape. It is held in lathe. This is life center. This is dead center of lathe. This is diving plate. This is lathe dog. Here workpiece rotate anti-clockwise direction and wheel, grinding wheel, this is grinding wheel, also rotate anti-clockwise direction. Here in external cylindrical surface grinding, rotation of workpiece and grinding wheel direction is same. This is the front view, this is the side view, this is the workpiece, this is workpiece, this is the grinding wheel, this is the grinding wheel. These machines are used to produce external cylindrical surface. The surfaces may be straight, may be tapered, may be steep or profiled. Profiled means any contour shape. Okay. Now, finishing an external surface by cylindrical grinding, step by step operation. Number 1, cylindrical job is clamped between the centers. Cylindrical job clamped between the center. Number 2, selection of proper grinding wheel. Selection of proper grinding wheel means grinding wheel, soft grinding wheel or hard grinding wheel. Number 3, mounting of grinding wheel in its spindle with proper alignment with job. That means cylindrical shape job, this axis and grinding wheel axis in proper alignment, in proper attachment. Okay. Number 4, selecting proper cutting speed of the grinding wheel, speed of the job, longitudinal table feet and down feet of the grinding wheel. Okay. Number 5, selecting required coolant. Required coolant. Number 6, checking the machine is ready to grind. Okay. Number 7, job and grinding wheel are rotated in the same direction of rotation with their requisite speed. Here job and grinding wheel are rotated in the same direction. Okay. This is vital. Number 8, use number of cuts to attain the required diameter of the cylindrical job with proper depth of cut. Okay. Number 9, measuring and checking the job by using micrometer, snap gauge and dial gauge. Okay. Next we learn B, internal cylindrical surface grinding. This is the workpiece, cylindrical workpiece, hollow. Internal surface of the cylindrical workpiece are grinding. Workpiece is held on chuck. This is the headstock of the lathe. This is the grinding head. It is the part of grinding machines, not part of lathe. This is the grinding wheel. This is grinding spindle. Here the job rotation and grinding wheel rotation is in opposite direction. Okay. Grinding wheel can be reciprocate in this horizontal direction. Okay. These machines are used to produce internal cylindrical surface. The surface may be straight, may be tapered, may be grooves or profile. Profile means contour surface. Okay. Now, finishing an internal surface by cylindrical grinding, step by step operation. Number 1, clamping the bush means job, cylindrical job, hollow cylindrical job by chuck. Here job is hollow cylindrical job held on chuck. Okay. Number 1, clamping the bush or job by chuck. The headstock receives power from the motor, rotate the chuck, and the table also can be give longitudinal feet. Number 2, selecting the proper internal grinding wheel. That means grinding wheel may be hard or soft with respect to job material, and mounting the wheel in grinding head. This is the grinding head. Grinding head. This is the grinding wheel. This is grinding spindle. It is part of grinding machines. Okay. Number 3, making the proper alignment between the job and the grinding wheel. Grinding wheel axis and job axis may be in proper settings or arrangement. Number 4, selecting proper cutting speed of the grinding wheel, speed of the job, longitudinal table feet and down feet of the grinding wheel. Number 5, selecting required coolant. Okay. Number 6, now checking the machine is ready to grind. Number 7, finishing the bore. Bore means internal surface of the hollow cylindrical job. Finishing the bore of a bush hollow portion is being done with proper speed of the grinding wheel and job. Here wheel and job rotation in opposite direction. It is vital. Lateral and down feet by the wheel. Number 8, use number of cut to attain the required bore diameter with proper depth of cut. Bore means hole diameter. Number 9, measuring and checking the bush, the hollow job by micrometer, plug gauge and dial indicator. It is clear, my student, what is cylindrical grinding? Okay.